Hi students, today we'll discuss about Hamming code. In the last class I told you that that is a error detecting and correcting code. So Hamming code is used to detect the errors and correct the errors. So this is single bit error code, Hamming code. So for example, uh, I am doing this error detection correction with some example, with one example. Okay, in this subject, digital electronics and STLD, this is very important topic. Maximum one question will come from this topic. So my question is: a receiver with even parity Hamming code is received, and the is data is received as correct. Received the data as 1110110110. 11101110. Determine the correct code. Here in the received code we have some error. He is telling that the receiver code is having some error. Determine the correct code. Determine the correct code. Here which method he is using? Even parity method he is using. So first of all, received data is 11101110. I am going to write in terms of parities and in terms of data. We know that the locations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bits we are transmitting. In 7-bit Hamming code, what is the how many parity bits we have? 3 parity bits. 3 parity bits. 2 power p is greater than or equal to x plus p plus 1. By using this formula, if you find the parity bits for the 7-bit Hamming code, it is having 3 parity bits. 3 parity bits. Those are p1, p2 and p3. I am taking as a p1, p2, p3. So first location, second location, third location, fourth location, fifth location, sixth location and seventh location. The parity bit locations are 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 2 power 0 is first location, 2 power 1 is second location, 2 power 2 is fourth location. 1 to 4 bits are the parities. So first parity 1, second bit parity 2 and fourth location parity 3. If you want, you may take this one as a P4, no problem. P1, P2, P4. Why? Because fourth bit is a parity bit. So P1, P2, P4 you may take as parity bits, and D3, D5, D6, D7 is the information bit, data bit. So that is nothing but remaining bits are data bits. So parity locations are, so in this 7-bit received code, the parity locations are P1 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. Already we know for this 4-bit Hamming code, if you take different decimals up to 7 for 7-bit Hamming code, we have 3 parities. Those parity locations 1001, 2010, like this we have to write up to 7 binary numbers. Then parity P1 locations are 1, 3, 5, 7, 1357. So those I was taken like this. P1 is 1357. Now you can write what is the first location bit. First location bit is 0. You can write 0. And third location bit is 1. Third location bit is 1. Fifth location bit is again 1. And the seventh location bit is also 1. So 0, 111. But what he is telling, I am using even parity method. If he is using even parity, the number of ones should be even number. See here, number of ones are here 3 only. 3 is a odd number. That's why in this 1357 parity P1, that P1 should be 1. This location, generally we may take it as a P1 and D3, D5, D7, like that we are taking. It may be P1, 1, 1, 1. You may take like this also. P1, 1, 1, 1. So this P1 should be 1 only, but here we have 0. Why? Because he is using even parity method. but here in P1 place this should be 1. That's why I am taking P1 is 1. P1 is 1. If it is odd parity, okay, P1 should be 0 only. 0 only. So here P1 should be 1. In the same manner, exactly same as the P1, then go for P2. P2 locations are 2, 3, 6, 7. P2 is 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. Find the 2, 3, 6, 7 bits. P2 second location is P2. That is 1. Already given. If you want, you may take P2 directly, no problem. So P2 comma, you may take P2 comma, it is you may take P2 comma 3. 3 is 1, third bit is 1, and 6, 7. 6 is 1, 7 is 1. 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, so P2 already given, this is 1. This is 1. So if you are using even parity method, number of parity bits are 4. 4 even parity. So this bit should be 0. This P2 should be 0. This P2 should be 0 only. Otherwise you may take these as C1, C2, and this is C3. This is better. C2. You may take in terms of C, correcting code, C1, C2, C3. C1 is equal to 1 here, and here C2 should be 0. C3 is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7 high, and 4 is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So compulsory here parity location should be 1. Then only even parity is satisfied. That's why this is 1. Parity location should be 1. You may take P's or C's, no problem. P1, P2, P3 or C1, C2, C3. Finally, error location is equal to P1, P2, P3, or it may be C1, C2, C3. Any manner you can take. What is C1? C1 is 1, C2 is 0, 0, and C3 is 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1 means 5. 1, 0 means 5. That is the fifth bit. Fifth bit or fifth location is having error. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth bit is having error. If you find the error, correction is very easy. Why? Because in our digital information we have zeros and ones only. Zeros and ones only. If fifth location is error, fifth location is 1, that one can be replaced with 0, 0. So then the original information is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Actually the data should be received is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. But it is received as 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So in this way we have to find the error location. Error location. Finding error location is important. Detection is very easy. You may, if in the error location the data is 1, you can replace 1 with 0. If the error location is 0, you can replace that bit with 1. That correction is easy. Correction is easy. So finding locations is using even parity or odd parity. First P1 should be 1, 3, 5, 7. There you can write all the bits. If these are satisfying the even parity or not, you can check. If it is not satisfying, then make that one as even parity. So here number of ones are 3. By taking parity bit as 1, then only it is becoming as even parity. That's why I am taking this parity bit as 1. In the same manner here number of ones are 4, even parity. So parity bit should be 0. Should be 0. If I am taking parity bit 1, 5 ones, that is odd parity. That is not satisfying this even parity condition. In the same manner C3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All bits I am writing. 4, 5, 6, 7 locations. 4 is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Number of ones are 3. Number of ones are 3. 3 is even parity. So here the parity should be 1. Parity should be 1, 1. So you may take P3, P2, P1 or C3, C2, C1. Then C3, C2, C1 or P3, P2, P1 is equal to, what is P3? 1. P2 is 0. P1 is again 1. 1, 0 is a 5. Fifth bit is error. So what is the fifth bit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth bit is 1. So this one can be replaced with 0. Then 1100 is the original information. This is final answer. For 7 marks he may ask. 7 marks. This is 7 marks. So here you may write this table also. Then that is easy. You can extend the information. This is a compulsory question. Try to see this one. This is the last topic in the first unit. Thank you.